Bullish Nem cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 14 cents and 32 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept XEM could reach 14 cents by 2025. Bearish Nem market cost expectation for 2022 is 2 cents. Nem presentation. The NEM blockchain has been around well before the crypto frenzy began, and the XEM token is viewed as a veteran digital money among specialists. NEM has an exceptional use case and is in fact not quite the same as conventional blockchains, which is important for the justification for why financial backers from one side of the planet to the other are keen on the XEM token. In the event that you're keen on finding out about future NEM cost forecasts, you're perfectly located. In this video, we've summed up NEM cost forecasts, complete from NEM value today to average cost, past execution, normal exchanging esteem, current cost, market cap, least value worth, and greatest cost. We likewise answer a definitive inquiry: is NEM a wise speculation for what's to come? How about we find out? What is NEM? NEM represents new economy development and is an environment and blockchain convention worked by a Singaporean non-benefit association called the NEM Establishment. NEM began as a fork-out variant of NXT, a famous blockchain-based cash and installment network stage. It advanced in 2015 to become NEM, fostering its own codebase to make NEM quicker and more adaptable. Accordingly, the NEM digital currency stage was made, which was completely remarkable from the first NT it originated from. The vision behind NEM was unequivocally to offer a smoothed-out answer for associations that wish to use public blockchain networks. NEM furnishes associations with the vital design to fabricate custom venture blockchain arrangements, regardless of the fact that they are so new to the blockchain space. NEM is a two-layer convention constructed utilizing the undertaking accommodating Java programming language, close by other broadly embraced ones. NEM's essential center is to address the numerous specialized and strategic obstacles ventures tackle while embracing blockchains, and its unmistakable, productive arrangements deserve serious areas of strength for it around the world, particularly in East Asia. The NEM blockchain stands apart due to its solid organization, which upholds the association in support of both private and public blockchains through an agreement component. NEM's not difficult to arrange framework, open UI, and dedicated local area are effectively consolidating conventional strategic policies with the creative universe of blockchain records and have gotten NEM a spot among the top blockchain conventions all over the planet. A prologue to the XEM coin. NEM's local token is called XEM. The symbolic's essential capability is to move esteem in the NEM organization, as with other blockchains. It can likewise be utilized to pay gatherers to approve exchanges and decision on administration choices. XEM has a most extreme inventory of 9 billion tokens, and every financial backer should hold no less than 10,000 XEM before they can gather or meet all requirements to procure or create new blocks. NEM Central Investigation. The NEM network stands apart in light of the fact that it highlights usefulness that other digital currencies like Bitcoin or Litecoin need. It permits engineers to make custom tokens and empowers them to buy different conventions close by NEM. Beneath, we've assessed a portion of the NEM organization's top highlights. Speed. NEM's essential benefit over other savvy contract stages is network speed. It is prepared to do productively, clearing an expected 4,000 exchanges each second. More noteworthy productivity with a POI instrument. One of NEM's primary points is to construct a superior blockchain, and it accomplishes this by utilizing a proof of significance framework. Different organizations like Bitcoin utilize a POS or POW framework, where a mining gadget is expected to work for the blockchain, and rewards are circulated in view of an excavator's work commitment. An issue with this framework is that excavators with high handling or figuring power in POW enjoy an unnecessary upper hand over those with less strong machines, with the overabundance power utilization making the cycle energy wasteful. The POI instrument, nonetheless, enough handles this issue. It underlines how much is really put resources into the NEM network with a reasonable personal stake. The quantity of XEM coins in the wallet and the holding time frame assist with measuring the significance of the venture. Private to public blockchain communicating. NEM offers the capacity to consistently interact with private and public blockchains, given that elaborate gatherings concur. NEM empowers simple exchange of computerized resources from a confidential inward undertaking network through a public blockchain to one more confidential organization at the less than desirable end. NEM current cost. NEM is presently worth 3 cents USD. XEM has moved 0.22% as of now with an exchanging volume of $7,355,814. NEM is presently positioned 495 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $297,604,822 USD. NEM value expectation. 2022 NEM, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year. The XEM cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to 4 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headway. XEM is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. Nem value expectation 2023 out of 2023. Nem XEM cost forecast has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of XEM will before long outperform 8 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the XEM's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, XEM will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 6 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 7 cents. Nem value expectation 2024 assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 11 cents and XEM might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. XEM is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 10 cents and a low of 9 cents in 2024. Nem value expectation 2025 on the off chance that Nem effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money aficionados. The XEM coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, XEM will be green in 2025. The XEM is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 14 cents, with a base cost of 13 cents and a typical cost of 13 cents. Nem value expectation 2026 after some broad gauging and specialized examination. We gauge the XEM cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 17 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 16 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, XEM has a most extreme value worth of 18 cents. Nem value expectation 2027 because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 20 cents. On the off chance that XEM figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 21 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help XEM needs by 2027 could bring about a low of 19 cents. Nem value forecast 2028 while XEM is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 23 cents and a yearly cost close above 24 cents in 2028. Nem value expectation 2029 by 2029. Nem will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 26 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 28 cents, averaging out at 27 cents. Nem value expectation 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exertion.